Hey guys, this is Don from RPM Steering and Suspension again. Today we have a product feature on our JL front 3-link long arm and our rear double triangulation kit. This kit does require a move of your fuel cell to behind the axle in the Jeep. This is not just a do-it-yourself home kit. So let's talk about what it comes with. So briefly, you can purchase our front 3-link here and our rear kit by themselves separately on the website, but today we're going to talk about the complete kit. The complete kit comes with the front bolt-in crossmember. You're going to replace your factory crossmember. Comes with the bolt-in 3rd-link upper. Comes with the clasp, and you'll see over here on this side we've got the Johnny joint laid out. That is a press-in replacement Johnny joint made specifically for RPM to work with our kit. We are also now offering a 3rd link that will go to the passenger side on specific applications with 1-ton axles. You can't use it on factory axles, but we will have some options there. You can call in for that to talk about options for your vehicle. The 3-link comes with the holes that will work with our skid plate. They also will work with any other skid plate system that you might have if you do not use the rear kit with our crossmember or with our center section. Our center section here is a 1/4-inch press broke steel. It's ribbed and gusseted for strength, and it sets up our double triangulation system as a key component. Our rear crossmember again has the holes set to bring this into place. It comes with your crossmember, your rear uppers. You're going to have your upper mounts for the rear axle and your lower axle mounts that all come with the rear kit. All of this can be found on our website at rpmsteering.com, and also follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook for new product launches and product features. Thank you.